first of all, a very good morning to all.
Very miss, good morning.
Very
Good
good morning,
morning,
Miss.
everyone. Good
Very good
morning.
morning.
Okay. First, I would like to introduce myself,
Yes.
Deepali Kasbe from Shivdi Crossroad MPS F South Ward. Brihan Mumbai Mahanagar Palika Shikshan Vigab Online Education. Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation. Myself, Mrs. Deepali Kasbe, and our special thanks to our Administrative Officer, Mrs. Gina Sonavni, Nodal Beat Officer, Mr. Sharad Kurade Sir, Nodal HM, Mrs. Mary Pushpam Paul Ma'am, Assistant Nodal HM, Mrs. Manpriti Kaur Anand, and our CNO, Mr. Ratilal Kisan Burungule. Thanks for giving me such a nice opportunity to teach the online classes. Now, welcome back to the online classes.
Thought of
Now,
the
before we
day.
start with
Thought
our
for the day.
lecture, let's begin with a wonderful thought. Now,
Thought.
students, I will
Can I read?
share you the
Miss
screen.
Shalini,
Now, can anyone? Yes, yes, please.
Shamika,
Yes, yes.
education
Anyone
is
of
the
you?
education is the
passport to
passport to
the
the
future.
future.
For
For
tomorrow
tomorrow
belongs to those
belongs
who
to
prepare
those who
for it today.
prepare for it today.
Okay, very good. So, education is the passport to the future. For tomorrow belongs to those
Belongs.
who prepare for it today. I repeat once, education
Yes.
is the passport to the future. For tomorrow belongs to those
Belongs.
who prepare for it today. For it today. It means education is an important element. Education is an important element in the struggle for the human rights. It is a means to help our children and our people rediscover their identity and thereby increase their self-respect. Now, before we start with our lecture, I would like you to ask you some questions. Are you ready for that?
Yes.
Okay. Now, I will ask you one by one. My first question: where do you live? My
Honor.
first question
Honor.
is, where do you
Honor.
live? Very good.
India.
India. Okay. In which state do you live?
Maharashtra.
Yes,
Maharashtra.
Maharashtra.
very good. You. What is the name of our country?
India.
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 Okay, very good. Now the last question: on which planet do we live?
Earth.
Earth. Earth.
Yes, very good. My children are very smart. We live on the earth. So we will
Welcome.
start with our lecture. Welcome, my dear students. Standard 5th, subject EVS 2, and our chapter name is chapter number
Life.
3, Life on the
Life on
Earth.
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 Now, in this lesson, there are 3 subtopics. Can any one of you
Point.
can read this?
Formation
Yes,
of
miss.
the earth.
Formation of the earth,
Beginning
beginning
of
of the
life on
life on
earth.
earth.
The animal world on the earth.
Yes, very good. The
Formation
first
of
point,
the earth. Beginning
yes,
of life on earth. The
yes.
animal world on the earth.
Okay, very good. The first point is formation of the earth. Second one, beginning of life on the earth. And the third one is animal world on the earth.
Earth.
So now we will begin with our first subtopic. What is
Formation
the
of
first
the earth.
topic? Formation of the
Formation
earth.
of the earth.
Okay, very good. Now tell me, have you ever wondered how earth was formed or when did it happen? How many planets were formed?
No. No,
Do you
teacher.
ever think? Do you ever
No.
No.
think when did life
No.
came from, or how did life on the earth begin? So all these questions, how were the how you ever wonder how the earth was formed? How did it happen? How many planets were formed? And how the
Eight.
life came
Eight
from? And
planets.
how, yes, and how did the life on the earth begin? So all these questions we are going to discuss and find out the answers in this chapter. Now students, tell me, as we know that As we know that the earth is our home and it is a third planet from the sun. It is a third
Third
planet from the
planet, the
sun.
sun.
Yeah, that's why
It,
we get
it
sunlight. Sunlight.
yes, it is only the planet known to have an atmosphere containing free oxygen, oceans of water, and on its surface, and of course, our life. So, the Earth is the fifth largest of the planet. The Earth is the fifth
Fifth
largest of the
largest
planet
planet.
in our solar system.
System.
So, let us study about the history of our planet. Now, which picture is this?
Moon.
Earth.
So, now we are going to
There
study
was
more.
some clouds.
Yes, now we are
There are
going
all
to discuss
clouds and
about
water.
how was the Earth formed. How was the Earth
Earth
formed?
form.
So there are some questions we all wonder about. How did the Earth on which we live come to be? When did it happen? Was it always way we see it today, or it has undergone the changes? If it has changed, what exactly are those changes? Now let us see. On the basis of scientific research, it is now believed that 4.5 million year ago. How many millions ago?
4.5 millions
4.5.
ago.
Yes, very good. 4.5 millions ago, an enormous cloud of very hot gases. Enormous means what? A very big, huge. Enormous cloud of very hot gases and dust spinning at a great speed was formed in the space, and it moves in which motion? Circular motion, and at a great speed cause it to divide into the several portions, thus creating the sun and the planets which revolve around the sun. Now there are some planets. Now how many planets are there?
8.
8.
How many planets are there?
8.
8.
Okay, so we will discuss that. So how many years ago? 4.5 billion ago, the
4.5.
enormous cloud of very hot gases and dust spinning at a great speed was formed in the space. Now, in which motion it circulates? It is in the circular motion and at a great speed, cause the creating the sun and the other planets. Now, we will read the names of the planets. The first one will be the, what is this? This is our solar system.
Sister.
Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars,
Okay,
Mercury, Uranus, Saturn,
Saturn,
Jupiter.
Venus,
okay, very good. Okay, this is our solar system. The first one is the Mercury, second one is the Venus,
Venus. Third
third
one is
one is
the Earth.
Earth.
Mars.
Fourth one
Then
is
fourth one
Mars.
is Mars.
Fifth one
Then
Jupiter,
is the
Saturn,
Mars,
Uranus, Neptune.
Uranus.
fifth Jupiter, sixth Saturn, yes, is the Neptune. Now let's learn more about all these planets. Are you
Teacher,
ready?
there is one
Yes, I am ready.
less. Teacher,
Yes,
there is one more planet.
yes. Wait, huh? Now we will discuss about the planets. Now Mercury.
Planets.
Now Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. These are the terrestrial planets. Now we will discuss about the Mercury. Now the Mercury is the smallest planet
Smallest
in our
planet.
solar system. It is the faster evolving planet and closest to the sun. Now the Mercury is the fastest revolving planet and it is very closest planet to the sun. The Mercury is second hottest planet in the solar system. Which one? Second hottest
Second
planet in the
hottest on the
solar.
solar system.
Yes,
Second
very good.
hottest planet in the solar
Yes,
system.
yes. Okay. Now second one.
Venus.
Venus is the second planet from the sun. It is also the brightest. How it is? It is also the
Also the
brightest
brightest.
and hottest, yes, hottest planet in our solar system. The Venus is referred to as the Earth's twin because of their similar size and mass. It is called the morning or the evening star. What is called the morning or the evening star?
Evening star.
Now, the third one. Now, the third one is Earth. The
Earth.
Earth is the only
The only
planet
planet
on which
on which
life
is
life
known
is known
to
to
exist.
exist. The planet's
Planet
distance
distance
from the sun,
from the
don't
sun
repeat,
and
wait. The planet's distance from the sun, the atmosphere, and the availability of liquid water makes it the most habitable planet. The Earth has only one satellite. How many satellite? Only one
one
satellite.
satellite.
And that is the moon.
Food.
Now, the fourth one, Mars. The Mars is the fourth planet. Which planet? Fourth planet from the sun. It is the second smallest planet in the solar system. And what is known as? It is known as the red planet. What it
Red
is known
planet.
as? The red planet because of rust colored soil. Because of which color soil? Rust colored soil. The Mars has two moons. How many? Two
Two
moons.
moon.
The first one, the Olympus Mons, the largest volcano is found there. Now, these are the terrestrial planets. Now, next will be the Jovian planets or the gas giants. The first one is the Jupiter. The Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. It is the fifth planet from the sun and called the gas giant planet. The Jupiter has total 79 known moons. How many moons the Jupiter has?
79 known moons.
79 moons. It is the fastest spinning planet in the solar system. Now the next one will be the Saturn. The Saturn is the sixth planet. Which planet? Sixth
Sixth
planet from
planet.
the sun in the solar system. It is the lightest planet. How it is? It is the lightest planet in the solar system. The Saturn has a beautiful rings to the orbit that the orbit the planet. The Saturn
Orbit.
has
62
62 moons
moons.
on which Titan is the largest. Now the next one is the Uranus. The
Uranus.
Uranus is the seventh planet. Which planet? Seventh
Seventh
planet
planet.
from the, and how it is? It is oldest planet in the solar system. It
Means
is
your
the
voice is very
oldest,
breaking.
sorry, solar system. The Uranus has the thin ring system. Uranus has 27 known moons and it is described as the rolling around the sun on its side.
Side.
And the last one is the Neptune. Now the Neptune is the eighth planet in
Eighth
the
planet.
sun and it is the smallest of the gas giants. It has the strongest winds
Winds.
in the solar system. The Neptune has 13 known moons. How many moons? 13 known
13
moons. The Triton is the largest known moon of the Neptune.
Neptune.
So these are our solar system. The first we have discussed about the terrestrial planets, that is the Mercury, Venus, Earth,
Earth,
Mars.
Mars,
Yes.
Jupiter,
And the
Jupiter,
Jovian
Saturn,
planets,
Uranus, Neptune.
Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and
Uranus,
Neptune. Total,
Neptune.
how many planets we have discussed?
8.
Eighth one. Now, the next topic we will study about. What is the next subtopic?
Beginning of life on the earth.
beginning of life on
Yes,
the earth.
the beginning of life on the earth. Now, among these planets, which picture is this?
Earth.
Earth. But what is the, can you identify the color of the earth?
Green.
Green
Okay.
and blue.
Blue.
Okay.
White,
So among, okay,
yellow.
very good. Among these planets, the earth is only the planet. The earth is only the planet where life is known to exist. After the formation of the earth, it took 80 crore years. How many years? 80 crore years for its surface to cool down and for water bodies to form on it. How many years it took? It took 80 crore years for its surface to cool down and for the water bodies to form on it. Now, it is believed that various kinds of unicellular organism. Now, unicellular means what? Can any one of you tell me?
Yes, miss.
Unicellular organism means what? Yes, please.
What, miss?
Unicellular means what? Unicellular organism. The organisms which is having one cell, single cell. The organisms or a living thing which is having one cell, single cell. Or the living things the first appeared in water. They are known as protozoa. Now, the first living organism appeared in water was protozoa. And gradually, the multicellular living things develop from these unicellular ones. Now, multicellular means the organisms which is having many cells. Multi means many. The protozoa are so tiny that they cannot be seen with the naked eye. Tiny means very small. The protozoa are so tiny that they cannot be seen with the naked eye. So what we need to see a very small tiny organism? Which instrument we need to see? Can any one of you tell me which instrument?
Yes.
Which instrument is
Microscope.
used? Yes, very good. So the protozoa are so tiny that they cannot be seen with the naked eye. So for that purpose, we need one instrument, and that instrument name is a microscope. We need a microscope to see them. The help of the microscope. Why we use the microscope? Because organisms are so tiny. They are so small. Need a microscope. Now, which picture is this?
Microscope. My name is Shamika.
Yes, yes, very good. Now, my next screen, can you identify this picture?
Yes.
What is this?
This is animals.
Animals. Now tell me the names. Can you identify anyone, one picture? Can you
Oh,
identify?
elephant,
Yes,
zebra, monkey,
yes.
tiger,
Okay, okay,
giraffe,
okay.
dog,
Yes, very good. So what is this? Is the animal world. There are the
animal world.
different types of animals seen in this
Yes.
picture.
Yes,
Yes.
miss.
Now the next topic is the animal
The
world
animal
on the
world
earth.
on the earth.
The next topic is the
The
animal
animal
world on
world on the earth.
the earth. Okay. Now this picture tells us about that the living world on the earth consists of what? Two things. The first one is the plants and the second one is the animals.
Animals.
Here. So the living world consists of two parts. The first one is the plants and the second one is the animals.
Animals.
But today we are going to study only about the animals. Only animal worlds we are going to discuss. Now there are some characteristics. There are some characteristics of animals. Now which picture is this? Can you identify this picture? Which animal is
Tiger.
this? Yes. Now the first characteristics of animal. The first one is the animal breathe. As the human brings, we inhale and exhale. We take air in and out. Same way the animals also breathe. The second one. The second characteristic is animals moves in order to get food or for other purpose. As the human beings, when we are hungry, what we
Yes.
need?
Deer.
What we do? When we are hungry, listen to my question. When we are hungry, what we need? What we do? We eat something, we eat food. Yes or no? Same way,
Yes.
animals also need food. So they move in order to get food or for the other purposes. Now, the next picture. What is this? What is this? Can you identify the first picture?
Hen.
Okay, hand. Second one.
Second one.
What are the small ones? Chickens.
Chickens.
Third picture.
Snake.
Okay, so animals of some species lay eggs. For example, hen is there, snake is there, and their young ones are born out of eggs. Animals of some other species give birth to their young ones. That is called the viviparous animals, and the second one is the oviparous animals. So now anyone of you can read this, the characteristics of first point.
Yes.
The first point, yes,
Animal breed.
yes, very good. Second point,
Animal move in order to get food or for other purpose.
okay. Third one,
Animals of some spice lays eggs and their young ones are grown out of eggs.
okay, very good. So these are the characteristics of animals. Animals breed. Second one, animals move in order to get food or for other purpose. The third one is animals of some species lay eggs and their young ones are born out of eggs. Animals of some other species give birth to the young one. These are the characteristics of animals. What are these? These are the characteristics of animals. Okay. Now the next one, oviparous animals. Now oviparous animals, see there are so many pictures are seen. Yes or no? Parrot,
Yes.
birds, eagle, swan, duck,
And
penguin,
parrot,
owl,
bird,
ostrich, chicken,
Yes.
fish, snake. So these all are the oviparous. Now see,
Oviparous.
oviparous and viviparous means what? The first one is the oviparous. Oviparous means it lay eggs. For example, snake. Yes or
oviparous.
no? And the
Yes.
second one is the viviparous. Viviparous means what? The animals which give birth to the babies. For example, elephant is there, lion. These are the viviparous animals. And oviparous means the animals which lay eggs.
Egg.
Now what is this?
The
Can you see
animal.
my screen? Animal. There are different types of animals. There are
Yes.
total 13 animals. Now see the first picture. Can you see the number? Can you
Yes.
identify?
Yes.
Tell me the first one. Which animal is this? First one?
Rebird.
River.
Okay, very good. Second one?
Blue bull.
Blue bull.
Yes, very good. Third one?
Monkey.
Yes, very good. Fourth one?
Bleeding lizard.
Fourth. Polar
Bear.
bear. Yes.
Polar
Fifth
bear.
one? Fifth one?
Killing lizard.
Lilies.
Lizard. Okay. Sixth one?
Cheetah.
Tiger.
Okay, good. Seventh one?
Loris.
Lois.
Okay. Eighth one?
Guy.
Pangolin.
Eighth one? Pangolin.
Pangolin.
Okay, very good. Ninth?
Buffalo.
Okay, very good. 10th one?
Butterfly.
Okay. 11?
Chameleon.
Okay. 12th one?
Sparrow.
Okay. And the last one is the?
Tiger.
Okay. So these are the animals. Rhea bird, blue bull, monkey, polar bear, gliding lizard, cheetah, loris, pangolin, buffalo, butterfly, chameleon, the tiger. So these all
Sparrow.
consist in the.
Yes.
Now what is this? Some scientists feel that there is a possibility of life on Mars. However, no evidence regarding this has been found so far. Like our Earth, Mars too has volcanoes, valleys, and desert. It also has the polar regions covered with the ice sheets. Now, how many percent of the atmosphere contains carbon dioxide? 95% of its atmosphere contains carbon dioxide. How many percent? 95%. 95% of its atmosphere contains carbon dioxide. It also has oxygen in very small quantities. and also other gases and water. Hence, it was thought that life may exist on Mars. The soil on Mars is found, now see in this picture, the soil on the Mars is found to contain some components that are essential for the growth of plants.
Plants.
More research is being carried out in the light of all these facts. However, the existence of water in its liquid form is essential for life to exist. So it is true that the polar region of Mars are covered with ice, but there is no liquid water. So the idea of the man from Mars has become popular through literature and cinema, but the scientific research has not confirmed it. So the India has launched, now see this picture. So the India has launched a spacecraft, Mangalyaan. Have you seen?
Yes.
Yes.
Can you see my screen?
Yes.
So the India has launched a spacecraft, Mangalyaan, to Mars on what date? On 5th November 2013.
13.
And the mission was successfully accomplished on 24th September 2014.
2014.
On what date? 24 September
2014.
2014. And this is a historic event. What is this? This is the historic event. Now, whatever we have discussed, the point
Evaluation.
will do
Miss you.
the recapitulation on basis on the topic. Yes, we have learned. Is when was the Earth formed? When was the Earth formed? How many billions ago?
4.5 million ago.
Yes,
Billions
very
ago.
good. So the Earth was formed around 4.5 billion years ago. My second question: how many planets were formed? And tell the names of it.
8 planets.
9 planets.
First one.
8 planets.
Mercury.
First one.
Mercury.
Okay.
Venus.
Mercury,
Okay.
Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter,
Okay.
Neptune, Saturn, Uranus.
Okay. Okay. So total there are 8
Eight.
planets. The first one is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Very good. Third question. Which is the only planet where life known to exist? Which is only planet where life known to exist? The only one planet where life is known to exist. Where do we live?
Earth. On Earth.
Yes, yes. So the Earth is only the planet where the life known to exist. Now my fourth question. What instrument do we need to see unicellular organism? Which instrument do we need?
Microscope.
Yes.
Microscope.
Yes, very good. We need microscope to see the unicellular organism. Now my fifth question. Where did the protozoa appear first?
The first
Yeah.
It is the first
Where it appeared? On land, in water. Where it appeared? The first protozoa appeared in where in?
Land.
Water.
Yes, water. Very good. The first protozoa appeared in water. Now my last question. Name any one characteristic of animal. Any one. Total 3 are there. From 3, any one characteristics of animal. Okay, I will tell. Animals breathe. Animals move in order to get food or for other purpose. And the third one, animals of some species lay eggs and their young ones are born out of eggs. animals of some other species give birth to their young ones. From these three characteristics, you can give any one of the characteristics of animal. Okay. Now
Okay.
the next one. Now the next part. Now what is this? These are the planets and planet scrambling. Now what you have to do? Unscramble the names of the planet. Now see the first picture. ERRMCYU. What will
Mercury.
come? Yes.
MERCURY. Mercury.
Yes. MERCURY.
C
Mercury. Very
Mercury.
good. Now think the next one. Next. NVESU. What will come?
Venice.
Yes.
VNC.
Yes.
VUNC.
Yes. Venus. VENUS. Venus.
US.
Third one.
Venus.
Think. Third one.
Earth.
Yes. Very good.
EARTH.
EARTH. Now fourth one.
Mars.
Think.
MARS. Mars.
Yes.
MARS.
MARS. Mars. Fifth one.
Jupiter. Jupiter.
JUPIR.
JUPRTI.
Jupiter. JUPITER. Jupiter.
TR.
Next
Jupiter.
one. TSURNA.
Uranus.
Uranus. Very good.
URAN.
URANUS. Yes, very good. And the last one.
Neptune.
NUNEPT.
Neptune.
Yes,
Neptune.
very good. NEPTUNE. Neptune. Very good. My children are very smart. Now
Thank you,
the
Miss.
next solar system quiz.
Coins.
Who will read this?
Can I read,
Who will read
Shamika?
Yes, read.
I am the biggest star in the solar system. I am at the center of the solar system. I am yellow in color. Who I am? I am a
Who
sun.
am I? Who am
I?
I am the biggest star in the solar system. I am at the center of the solar system and I am yellow in color. Who am I? I am
I
a
am sun.
yes, I am a sun. Now the second one.
I am
read
the
it?
nearest planet to the sun. I am named after the Roman deity.
Deity.
The deity, the messenger of the gods. Who am I? I am
Who am
Mercury.
I am the nearest. Yes, I am the nearest planet to the sun. I am named after the Roman deity, the messenger of the gods. Who am I? I am a Mercury.
Teacher, can I read
Homework.
Okay, read. Okay, read. Who will read this? Read again.
Miss,
Who
can
want to
I
read?
read lecture, Mr.
Okay, read.
Can I read lecture,
I am
Mr.
the nearest planet to the sun. I am named after the Roman deity,
Miss, can I read lecture,
Okay.
Mr.
the messenger of
Okay.
the god. Who am I?
Okay.
I am Mercury.
Okay. The answer is Mercury.
Mercury.
Now,
Can I read lecture,
okay.
Mr.
Now the next part will be it's time for the homework. Now see, question number 1. Answer each question in one sentence. What instrument do we need to see a unicellular organism? Just now we have discussed. Which instrument we need? Yes. Microscope. We need a microscope to see the unicellular organism. The second question. Where did the protozoa appear first?
It is relieved in water.
Yes, the protozoa first appeared in water. Now question
Answer
number
the
2.
following in brief. Oh my god.
Answer the following in brief. How were the sun and the planets in our solar system created?
Ago, and your mouse cloud of very hot gases and dust spring at a
Great speed. Yes.
Monitor and great speed gases fit to the divide into surface formation to scaling the sun and the planet which revolve around the sun.
Yes, very good. So, on the basis of the scientific research, it is believed that around 4.5 billion years ago, an enormous cloud of very hot gases and dust spinning at a great speed was formed in space. So, its circular motion and a great speed caused it to divide into several portions and thus creating the sun and the planets which revolve around the sun.
Sun.
Now, next. Write any two characteristics of animals.
Animal breathe
Yes,
air you want.
yes, very good. Animal breathe and animals move in order to get
Yes.
food or for other purposes. Or the last one you can also write
Find the name
animals
of
of
the
some
planet
species
in the
live.
box.
Wait. Animals of some species lay eggs and their young ones are born out of eggs. Animals of some other species give birth to their young ones. So these are the characteristics. Three are there. Any two you can write. Question number 3. Find the
Find the
names
names
of the
of the
planets
planets in the box
in
below.
the box below. Now the
Mercury.
first one. Yes,
Mercury,
Mercury. Mercury. What will come next?
Mm.
we, we,
The
Mars.
last column.
Mars. Mars. Mars.
Okay, the
One,
last one
two.
is Jupiter. So you
Jupiter.
have to
Yes.
Yes, you have to find the
Neptune.
names of the, yes, very good. You have to, last one, last line, last column. You will
Last line
find the
Neptune.
names of the planets in the box given below. You have to find out. Now, the next one. Fill in the blanks.
Filling the blanks.
The first living organism on the earth are known as dash.
Mm. Water. Sorry, microscope.
No, no.
Mm.
The first living organism on the earth are known as dash. That which we have seen in water. What is known as? It was appeared in water. The first living organism on the earth, which is appeared in water. What is
water,
the name of that? Protozoa. Next,
protein,
we need a dash to watch protozoa, a very small tiny organism. With the help
Earth.
of which instrument we
Earth.
you see? No,
Earth.
we need a dash to watch protozoa. Which instrument we need?
Organism.
Which instrument we need to see a very small organism which we cannot
water,
see with the naked eye? Which one?
water.
Just now
Microscope.
yes, very good. Microscope. Next,
Thank you.
there are dash planets that revolve around the sun.
Mercury.
There are dash. How many planets?
8.
Yes, there are 8 planets that revolve around the sun. Now, question number 2. Arrange the events given below in a chronological order. Chronological order means what we have to arrange in a proper sequence. Okay. First, I will read. First one, water bodies appeared on the Earth's surface. The sun and the planets were formed. The protozoa appeared in water, and the last one is an enormous cloud of hot gases and dust formed in space. Now, these total 4 are there. You have to arrange in a proper sequence. Chronological order means you have to arrange these events in a proper sequence. Now, I will give you 3 minutes. Think about that, and afterwards you will tell me the answers. Think what will come first.
Water bodies appeared on the Earth's surface.
What will come first? I will tell. The first will come enormous cloud of hot gases and dust formed in a space. Okay, the first event. The second one, what will come second?
The sun and the
The,
planet were formed.
yes, very good. The sun and the planets were formed. Third one, think. What will come third? Third sequence.
Protozoa appeared in water.
No.
Protozoa appear in the water.
Water bodies appeared on the earth surface. And the last one will be
And in Environment is
gases
cloud
No,
of
that
hot
was the
gases.
first one. The
Space.
first one was enormous cloud of hot gases and the dust formed in a space. Second was the sun and the planets were formed. The
Water
third
bodies
was,
appeared on the Earth's surface.
yes, very good. Now the last, what is the remaining one?
Protozoa
Last,
appeared in water.
yes, very good. The protozoa appeared in water. So
Water.
these were the sequence. The first one was B, second was B,
A,
third was A, and the last one was C.
C.
Protozoa appeared in
D,
water.
B,
Have you
A,
understood?
C.
Yes, D, B, A, C. Very good. Now this was the homework part. Have you understood the homework? What you have to do?
Yes, I understood.
Yes, I understood.
Okay. Okay. So thank you very much.
Thank
Thank you, Miss.
you.
Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe,
Stay
and
home,
have a
stay
good
safe.
day.
Thank you.